Hi guys, glad you can make it back. Okay, you're driving down the road and you need to make a turn. You turn your turn signal on and all of a sudden you realize one of your rear tail lights is out. So you go in the back and you take a look at it and you're wondering, do I need to have somebody fix this? Of course they're going to charge you an arm and a leg just to change a light bulb. So you wonder, are you going to have to tear the trunk apart just to change a light bulb? Or is there any way to fix it from the outside? And do I need any special tools? Well, believe it or not, this is something that you can easily do. It's very simple. The only thing though is you're going to need a number 15 Torx screwdriver. If you got one, great. I happened to get a screwdriver set and it had a number 15 Torx in there. Okay, if you look at the chrome on the light at the very bottom, you're not going to see anything. But if you slowly look to the top of the light where the chrome area is at, you're going to see the Torx screw. That's the only screw you need to remove the light. Okay, go ahead and take your Torx screwdriver and unscrew it. You don't have to screw it all the way out, and you'll see why. If you screw it all the way out, it'll come apart in two pieces. So just kind of wedge your finger if you can and just work your way out. If not, no biggie. Okay, once you got the screw out, all you need to do is from the top, push the light, pull the light out, and lift up the bottom, and it should unlatch. There you go, we got the light out, and you can see the back where all the plugs go in. Okay, you can see my finger pointing at a tab. It's from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. You need to press down and twist at the same time. Twist it about a third of a turn, pull out, and there's your bulb. Now if you want to take the bulb out, all you need to do is pull the bulb outward and it should come right out. It plugs in and plugs out. Once you pull it out, now you can replace it with your new bulb. Just plug it back in. When I do this, I usually replace all three bulbs. Okay, to put that light plug fixture in, what you're going to do is you're going to notice the hole has some slots cut out on it, and they're different sizes. And look at the light plug. You'll see also some tabs that are different sizes. Just match up the size, plug it in, and turn the light clockwise, and you'll see that little tab snap in. Now that we got our bulbs in, we can start to install the lens. Now, as you can see here where my finger's pointed, we're looking at the bottom of the lens. You'll see a little square plastic tab. You're going to put that into that hole. You need to do that first. So you're going to plug the bottom part of the lens in first, then push back the lens into the body, and go ahead and screw it in. And you're done. And that's it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you. It saved me a lot of money, so I'm sure it's going to save you a lot of money. It's really not this hard. Believe me, it's not hard. Anyway, check out my other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on my next video. Until then, we'll see ya. Bye.